work as a sommelier at Hoeve de Bies. We are a casual fine dining restaurant located in Sint-Martens-Voeren in the beautiful Voorstreek in Belgium, close to the Dutch border. We are lucky to be in an environment where we have a lot of small producers for locally sourcing our ingredients in the kitchen, but also for the wines. Our new addition to our drinks menu is Lyre. The high quality of Lyre gives us the opportunity to make classic cocktails and experiment with cocktails, and by that giving our guests that can't or won't drink alcohol the same nice experience that we can give our guests that do drink alcohol. Today we are going to make a cocktail that is called The Beat Goes On. We like to make cocktails that also reflect our dishes, and we use two of their spirits, non-alcoholic spirits. The first being the Italian spirit, which gives it a nice bitterness to the cocktail. The second one is the Italian orange, which gives nice flavors of blood orange, a little bit of citrus. We do add lemon, a little bit of coconut for the sweeter taste, and of course the juice of beetroot. From now on, you can enjoy Lyre's cocktails at Hoeve de Bies. We hope to welcome you soon to give you a very nice evening or lunch at Sint-Martens-Voeren.